Hey everyone, Kyle here. Today we'll cover the step-by-step guide on starting an LLC in Connecticut, including the benefits, steps to get started, and important requirements to get your business up and running. If you'd rather have someone else handle the complex process for you, skip ahead to the end of this video. I'll be sharing a special offer where you can form your LLC for just $39, saving you both time and money. So first, before we dive into the steps, let us first understand what is an LLC and why is it beneficial. It stands for Limited Liability Company, and it's a great choice for startups and small businesses. The biggest benefit of forming an LLC is that it separates your personal assets from your business assets. That means if your business assets get sued, they can come after your personal belongings like your house or car, only what's inside the LLC. This is crucial if you want to protect yourself and take your business seriously. Another huge perk, LLCs are pass-through entities, meaning you won't face double taxation like you would with a corporation. All income passes through to you and you're taxed once. However, I highly recommend talking to a tax advisor to make sure everything works best for your specific situation. And now let's proceed to the 4 simple steps to set up your LLC in Connecticut. Step 1. Name your LLC and choose a registered agent. First, you'll need to choose a unique name for your LLC. Make sure the name is not already taken by another business in Connecticut. You can check for your name availability here in the State of Connecticut website, where you can do a business records search. So I'll leave a link in the description so that you can easily go here. And all you have to do here basically is just put your business name here and click on search, and then you'd be able to see the results and see if there are any other businesses that has the exact same name as you. You'll also want to make sure that the name is available as a domain name and on social media to keep your branding consistent. Next, you'll be required by Connecticut law to appoint a registered agent. This is someone who will receive a legal document or legal documents on behalf of your business. If you're feeling overwhelmed, no worries. Northwest Registered Agent offers a fantastic registered agent service for just $39, which is free for the first year if you choose to partner up with Northwest Registered Agent. And now, step number 2, file the certificate of organization. Once you've got your name and a registered agent sorted, it's time to file the certificate of organization with the Connecticut Secretary of State. This document officially registers your LLC with the state, and it's a crucial step. You can file online, and the filing fee is $120. And now, step number 3, get an EIN or Employer Identification Number. After filing, you'll need to obtain an EIN or Employer Identification Number from the IRS. This number is like a social security number for your business. You'll need it to open a business bank account, hire employees, and file taxes. It's completely free and you can apply online on the IRS website. And lastly, step number 4, create an operating agreement. Even though it's not required by the state of Connecticut, I highly recommend creating an operating agreement for your LLC. This document outlines how your business will be run, and it can help avoid conflicts between members down the road. It's also a good idea to have this in case you need to prove the structure of your LLC to banks or investors. And there you have it. Those are the 4 simple steps to forming an LLC in Connecticut. If this process sounds a little overwhelming or you just want to save some time, you can have Northwest Registered Agent handle everything for you. They offer a full LLC formation service for just $39, making it affordable and stress-free. Simply click the link in the description to get started. And that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.